Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete YouTube channel without deleting Google account. So let's begin first to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, here you need to click on search bar and here search studio.youtube.com. After that, you need to click on continue, and here you need to click on setting icon at the bottom left corner, and here click on channel and click on advanced settings and scroll down below and click on remove YouTube content, and here you need to click on this second option and check these two options and click on delete my content. After composing the email, when you click on the delete my content button, you will prompted to enter your password. Once you enter the password and click next, your YouTube channel will be deleted accordingly. This action will result in the deletion of your YouTube channel. And in this way, you can delete your YouTube channel without deleting Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.